Changes in winter storm patterns are creating drought problems in the western United States. Winter storms are becoming more frequent and higher in severity in the Midwest and Northeast. Meanwhile, the West is seeing fewer winter storms. This is happening because of blocking of wintertime circulation in the Northwest. This keeps that portion of the country out of the primary track of winter storms. These winter storms provide much needed precipitation to drought prone areas, but with the frequency of these storms decreasing, these areas are going into extreme drought. This will only get worse as the trend progresses. This means that there will be even less water for a region that already struggles with this issue on a seemingly yearly basis. This is especially prominent for residents of California. Water rationing practices will almost surely need to continue to be able to supply their cities with water in the future. This will also lead to drier summers that could lead to wildfires. California has seen many wildfires in recent years due to their worsening droughts. Winter storms also provide stores of water in the form of snow and ice that melt in the spring. With less moisture stored up, these areas will be drier earlier in the year than previously observed, contributing to the likelihood of wildfires. Also, the people who rely on the runoff for their water supply will begin to suffer more severely. Innovative solutions will need to be found to address these problems as the western United States continues to see higher severity droughts, partially caused by less frequent winter storms.